Right there, let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. To see where the price goes next, we'll cover the weekly Wyckoff structure, map out the short-term trend, so you know exactly how market momentum is shifting right now. From a Wyckoff perspective, Bitcoin Cash is currently in between the selling climax and automatic rally stage of the accumulation cycle. The reason why I don't call it the automatic rally right over here is because more times than not, this won't be just one incident and the volume should be higher. So if we look at what happened over here back in 2025, you see 4 consecutive weeks of white volumes, meaning price close higher than open, and the volume is higher than average. Likewise, if we go back all the way to the 2022, despite 5 consecutive weeks of positive volume, currently it's only 1 bar, 1 week. So it may still be building up for the automatic rally. Not saying it can't be, but the chance or my inclined thinking is that it is still not happening yet, or it's still not over. All right. And looking at the volume, you see it's declining. So that's why I say it's not usual. Okay, this one is like buying a dip, but not actual automatic rally. It can be, but let's see whether there will be another one that sets a higher trading range top. Okay, the most important weekly support level currently is the green key level 187. And the major resistance is 270. Of course, immediate resistance is at 225, the light blue key level. But a few weeks back, this level wasn't a problem. So the bulls, once the volume pick up, they may be able to easily break this level and go challenge 270. Remember, this is education content only, not financial advice. Now, let's dive into the daily chart. Here, you can see since mid-June, this is pretty much sideways, or even early June, from 270 coming down to 187, breaking 225, and then coming back down. So it's a sideways trend with 225 more or less acting as the center line of the sideways channel. So if we use similar method that we usually do to measure the trend, okay, it's somewhat looking like this. So it is going to bounce from the bottom and then test the center line, go back to the bottom, come back, just doing this without major news. Okay, the volume is telling us the same story. No bulls or bears are making big commitments. So that's why the price has been floating along the 225 without much, going too crazy. However, if we look to the past, okay, back in 2022 to 2024 accumulation cycle, this is somewhere around the higher third within that range. And one thing very key is that if Bitcoin really drops to its bottom, the blue line over here, okay, Bitcoin Cash may follow suit. So if you go check my Bitcoin video, the 47-month cycle hasn't finished yet. So there's still a chance for Bitcoin to come even lower. Of course, either way, Bitcoin is going to make history. If it follows the same pattern, if there another record 3 times in a row, 47 months, it is bottoming out at similar timing. If it doesn't, it is another record that it breaks the previous pattern. So back to Bitcoin Cash. Any short-term trend we can see, despite we saying it's trading sideways. Of course, we're seeing this looks like a very gradual uptrend, right? Just past 8 to 9 days. If it is really continuing along this rate of ascent, this is pointing towards 18th of August. Okay, that's what I call the 2C's decision point. Either it continue with the trend, meaning it is going to break the resistance, or it is going to drop below this support line and once again come back to challenge 187. There's an intermediate support or short-term support over here. Let's use this same line, just copy this. It's right at this location. You see the previous BC activity around here, where the candles, those days, find support and then these find resistance. Okay, that's at the beginning of June. Coming into July, those days find support at the same level. That's around 209, or if you want to make it simpler, just make it 210. Okay, so that's where the price currently is testing or hovering around. It came down, tested 210, briefly break it, but it's like a fixed bear. And then now it is slowly climbing back to 225. So if it follows this trend by mid-August, around the 18th, when we get closer to that date, we will see whether it is going to continue or is it going to break the trend. So put into the comment whether you think it's going to be a continue or a change. You can see this video 2 days earlier being a channel member. See you in the next one. Thank you.